Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to check your IndusInd Bank credit card status in 2025. If you've applied for one and you're eagerly waiting, this quick guide will help you track it without any hassle. Let's get started. First off, the most straightforward way is through the IndusInd Bank mobile app. If you don't have it yet, download it from your app store. It's free and user-friendly. Once installed, log in using your registered mobile number and the OTP sent to your phone. This keeps things secure and simple. Inside the app, head over to the Cards or Applications section. Look for an option like Track Application Status. Enter your application reference number, which you got when you applied, and hit Submit. In seconds, you'll see whether your card is approved, in process, or ready for delivery. Easy, right? If you prefer the web, visit the official IndusInd Bank website at IndusInd.com. Navigate to the Credit Cards page and find the Application Status tool. Again, you'll need that reference number and possibly your date of birth for verification. This method is great if you're on a computer. For those who like quick alternatives, try SMS. Send a specific code, like status, followed by your application number, to the bank's designated number. I'll link it in the description below. It's a fast way if you're on the go. One more option. If you run into any issues, call IndusInd Bank's customer service at their toll-free number. They can guide you personally and resolve any delays. A few tips to remember: always use official channels to avoid scams, and check your status periodically, as processing can take a few days to weeks in 2025 due to potential updates. That's it. You've now got all the tools to stay on top of your application. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more banking tips and tricks. See you in the next one.